He is a retired American actor, director, and activist. Throughout his career, he has won several film awards, including the Academy Award for Lifetime Achievement in 2002. Robert and his mother. His mother name Martha. His son James Redford. His son James, an activist, filmmaker, and philanthropist, has died. Spouse name Sybil is a painter. His spouse was born on 1957 in Germany. His former spouse Lola is an American historian. He has two daughters. Daughter Amy is an American actress. In 1980s, he began his career as a director with The Ordinary People. His daughter Sona is a painter. His family. He had two sons. His son named Scott Anthony. He has an estimated net worth of 200 million. He was born on August 18, 1936 in Santa Monica, California, to Martha and Charles Robert, an accountant. He has a stepbrother, William, from his father's first marriage. He is of English, Scottish, and Irish ancestry. His family moved to Van Nuys, Los Angeles, while his father worked in El Segundo. He attended Van Nuys High School, where he was classmate with the baseball pitcher Don. He has described himself as having been a bad student, finding inspiration outside the classroom, and being interested in the art and sports. After graduating from the high school in 1954, he attended the University of Colorado, Boulder, Colorado for a year and a half, where he was member of the Kappa Sigma and fraternity. He hit tennis ball with the panko at the Los Angeles Tennis Club to warm him up. He worked at the restaurant bar, The Sink. Painting of his likeness is prominent in the bar's murals. Later he traveled in the Europe, living in France, Spain and Italy. He later studied painting at the Pratt Institute in the Brooklyn and took classes at the American Academy of Dramatic Arts in New York City. His career, like that of many major stars who emerged in 1950s, began in New York City, where an actor could find work both on stage and in television. He made his screen debut in Toy Story 1960 in a minor role. After initial success, he became concerned about his born male stereotype image and turned down role in Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf and The Graduate. Starting in 1973, he experienced an almost unparalleled 4-year run of box office success. He is also founder of the Sundance Film Festival. In 2014, the Time magazine named him one of the 100 most influencing people in the world. In 2016, he was honored with the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Appearing on the stage in late 1950s, his television career began in 1960, including appearance on The Twilight Zone in 1962. He earned an Emmy nomination as a Best Supporting Actor for his performance in the voice of Charlie Pond. He received a second Academy Award for Lifetime Achievement in 2002. He has won BAFTA, Director's Guild of America, Golden Globe, and the American Actor Guild Awards.